Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So, it has never been done on my channel before, so this is a first. It's a 3-part series of videos on how to apply a ceramic coating at home, but done the easy way. So a DIY tutorial. We're gonna go through all the steps. I'm gonna make it very simple for you guys to do this. You're gonna be able to replicate all the steps that I perform. So I've been detailing cars for over 23 years now, and I love sharing my passion and knowledge with you guys. And in recent videos, you were asking me if it was possible to do an entire ceramic coating job with just one brand of products to keep things simple. So I decided to partner up with Gyeon because they produce car detailing products that I absolutely love. And you're gonna see just how simple it is. So I'm gonna guide you through 3 phases. So today's first part is gonna be how to wash the vehicle in preparation of the second part, which will be the decontamination phases and the ceramic coating application. And part 3 will be how to maintain that finish during maintenance washes. So you're gonna see it's a jam-packed episode, but very simple to follow, and you're gonna absolutely love it, I'm sure. So you know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. Before we do so, if you're new to the channel, I highly recommend that you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, because you guys are going to learn a lot about car detailing, so all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. And so today is part 1 of 3. So we're gonna wash a vehicle in preparation for the application of a ceramic coating. So I'm gonna go through the products and the equipment that we're gonna need. This is very simple. And by the way, don't worry, I'm gonna include the links to the products and the equipment in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So the purpose of this series is to make everything super simple, all while understanding why we're making all these steps. So I know a lot of my viewers like when I explain things and well, basically allow anybody out there, whether you're a car detailing enthusiast, a weekend warrior, a beginner, or even a professional if you've never done a ceramic coating application, this will be the first and easy step to dive into that world, because the ceramic coating we will be applying in part 2 is Gyeon Can Coat. So great durability, great chemical resistance, UV protection, slickness, great water beading, tremendous water beading and water sheeting, and you get also the self-cleaning properties of a ceramic coating, meaning that the vehicle is going to be a lot easier to clean and to maintain during those maintenance washes. And of course, well, you get tremendous gloss. So basically all the benefits of a true ceramic coating, but in a spray format, and you're going to see just how easy it is to apply. But before we do that, we need to prepare the vehicle. So today, this is what we're going to do. And so for the preparation step, what we're doing is we're going to first start by washing the vehicle thoroughly. So we're going to first start where I'm going to tell you when steps are optional or mandatory. So for an optional step, if your vehicle is covered in a lot of bug guts, well, you're going to use a bug and grime remover. So this here, by the way, these are all products from Gyeon, very, very high quality products, and products that I've been using for many years now. And I've done many reviews on my channel if you want to check that out. So bug and grime, we're going to spray that on the vehicle. We're going to then move to the pre-wash stage with Gyeon foam and a foam cannon. So this is going to apply a full foam on the vehicle to help loosen up the free dirt, the loose dirt and contaminants, encapsulate those, rinse them away before we go ahead and do the contact wash. So this minimizes the chances of adding swirl marks or scratches during the contact wash. So that's why we do a pre-wash. Of course, we're going to first start by cleaning the wheels and tires, as those are the dirtiest parts of the vehicle. So what I like to do is always start by cleaning the wheels and tires first. We have the tire cleaner from Gyeon to do the job for the tires. We're going to use different wash mitts and tool brushes. And we're also going to use Gyeon Bathe. So we're going to use this as a solution to clean the tires in a separate bucket. You don't want to contaminate your wash buckets. And we're also going to use Gyeon Bathe to wash the paintwork. By the way, if you want to have a quick look, we have an awesome demo vehicle today. So this is an Audi Q3, a 2020 model. It has already been through a full winter, so it's a perfect timing because the vehicle also has never been detailed by the owner and hence has no protection. As you're going to see later on, the water is flat on the surface, meaning that, well, obviously there's no protection on the vehicle. So what we wanted to do is to enhance and to protect the finish. And of course, you're going to see all the steps in the following videos as well. So we're going to go ahead and do all of this. I recommend to have 2 wash mitts, always microfiber. Again, Gyeon has some great ones, so you're going to have one for the wheels and one for the paint. Never cross-contaminate. They also have this awesome wheel brush. So this is the small size. You can also have a big size. It comes with a knuckle guard. It's made out of microfiber. So again, very simple and very safe for all the finishes on your vehicle. So what we're going to do now, first start by cleaning the wheels and tires. Then we're going to move to the pre-foam, so the snow foam on the vehicle, rinse that off, properly wash the vehicle with the hand wash technique, and that will be it for part 1. So let's go ahead and start doing the job. So let's get started. I always recommend doing the wheels and tire first, as those are the dirtiest parts of the vehicle. Start by pre-rinsing the area to remove loose dirt, and then spray the wheel cleaner, like gyeon wheel cleaner, on the surface of the tires and let that dwell a few minutes. Then using the microfiber wheel brush from Gyeon, I'm scrubbing the interiors of the wheel barrels. And then using a stiff bristle brush, I scrub the tire faces to remove any previous tire dressing and any gunk that might be on there. And then using a microfiber wash mitt, like the one from Gyeon, very soft for any wheel surface, I do the face of the wheels to get them squeaky clean. And when you're done, simply rinse off and move on to the next stage, which is going to be to rinse the entire vehicle. So you can work with a pressure washer like I'm doing, or a garden hose. If you have enough water pressure, that's fine as well. Work from top to bottom. Again, this is to remove any of that loose dirt and contamination. I'm using Gyeon Bug and Grime, a spray to pre-treat the areas where you might have some bug guts, so that's very important. Let that dwell a few minutes while we're preparing our snow foam mixture with Gyeon foam. So it's a 5-to-1 dilution ratio. So I added 3 ounces of the snow foam with 15 ounces of water in the foam cannon, and I'm spraying away. So the pre-wash stage helps to remove any loose dirt or contamination by encapsulating all of that dirt and lifting it off the surface for you to be able to rinse. And this helps to minimize the chances of swirls and scratches during the contact wash, which is the next step. So you rinse that off. We're going to take a awesome shampoo, so Gyeon Bathe, add a few squirts, so basically 1 ounce of product or 30 ml in your 4 or 5 gallon wash bucket, and you foam that up. That comes out to roughly 18 or 20 squirts from the bottle. I use the 2 bucket wash method, so 1 bucket with the rinse water to dip the mid inside to rinse, as I'm doing now, and the second bucket with the soapy wash solution. Again, always in an effort to minimize the amount of swirls and scratches when you're doing the contact wash, because the majority of the swirls and scratches happen when you're washing or when you're drying the vehicle. I also work from top to bottom, so I do the top, I stop midway, I obviously rinse the mitt, I do the midsection, again rinse and reload the mitt, and then I do the lower parts of the vehicle, because the lower parts are always the dirtiest, so you don't want to contaminate the rest of the vehicle. Properly rinse the entire vehicle away to remove all of the suds. And as you can tell here, well, because the vehicle has no protection, the water is very flat and slow to sheet off, so there's no protection on the car right now, and this is what we're going to address with this video. All right, guys, so we're done washing the vehicle. It's fully clean now, and we're ready for part number 2, which is going to be the decontamination steps, polishing steps, and the application of the ceramic coating. So you can click the card up here if you want to go directly to that video now. If not, I'll also include the link to that video in the description under this video. Also in the description, you'll find the links to the products and equipment that we use, so you can easily check those out. So once again, links in the description under the video. By the way, I want to thank Gyeon for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. So thank you to Jeremy over at Gyeon and all the Gyeon team. Fantastic detailing products, and as you're going to see in this 3-part series, very simple to use a single brand for all your detailing needs to do a proper ceramic coating application on your vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, if you do, smash the thumbs up button. That also helps me to show me your support and tell me that you're interested in this kind of a video. By the way, if there are any other styles of video like this that you want me to do, so a multiple part series where we go through some detailing process, let me know which one in the comment section under the video, what you guys would like me to do in the future. And so yeah, don't forget also, if you like these videos and you want to continue to look more or watch more of my videos, make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, oh, by the way, when I say keep it tight, keep it clean, you can see I have the Pan TheOrganizer Keep It Tight, Keep It Clean shirt. If you want to encourage my channel and help me keep it growing and reinvesting in my channel to make more videos, click the merch store link in the description under the video for t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, a bunch of other merch styles and different logos, so it's pretty cool. So now is the time to do the outro. Keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.